Welcome to Photoshop Quickies. Today we're going to look at sky replacements. This used to be so hard and it really was a chore. I remember I used to use Hunter's little plugin, Hunter from Arizona, and that was just wonderful. Now it's in Photoshop. It's super easy to do. And in fact, I feel a little guilty even making a segment on this, but there are people who are just learning, so this is for you. Sky replacements in Photoshop. So we get the image into Photoshop and then you just simply hit Edit, Sky Replacement. And that brings up the sky replacement dialog. Adobe's kind of cool. They give you a bunch of skies that you can use, but honestly, use your own. It's not that hard to shoot a sky. So just shoot one. And then you can add it in here. As you can see, I've got a whole bunch of different skies to use, and these are all my own. So let's say that we just want that one. So we pop that in, and we maybe move this to the side, and it'll show us that sky, or that sky in use. You can move it around to where you find that it looks the best and looks most natural, and click OK, and you're done. Okay, now one of the things you see here is it clipped the top of this building. How are we going to fix that? Well, we go into the layers, and I always forget which layer it is, so just turn them all on and off. I'm pretty sure it's this layer. That's the one that's giving us the problem. So you go into that, you click on the matte, and use your Polygonal Lasso Tool to select the area that should not have the sky in it. And that's pretty easy since these are all straight lines. Go like that. Make sure you're editing on the matte. Click paintbrush. Make sure you're in black. That will exclude it. And you just go like that. And there. Now it's all cleaned up and looks good. And that is usable. Yeah, it really is that easy and that quick. You literally push a button or two. It's done. If you need, I can make a more in-depth video that tells you about all the different options that you have in this, because there are a lot of other options to make this look really good. Anyway, I hope you learned something. If so, make sure to like and subscribe. And I am Dave Coach. I hope your next shoot is your best shoot.